Olympic Patrol Division officers responded to a radio call of a shooting in progress at an apartment complex in the 1100 block of South Ardmore Avenue. Here-
Why the fuck do you think I gave you that weed?
Can I get the one that's in South Ardmore Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 9006, apartment 10, South Ardmore?
Father, if you trust me,
I think he's smoking weed and he's going crazy.
what the fuck do you trust me?
Come here.
No, don't trust nobody else but Batman.
Okay, he's being violent?
If you love me,
I think he went crazy on his weed.
no.
Okay. How old is he?
34, 35.
You think you also need paramedics to come? Is he overdosing, or you just need, or is he being too violent? Hello?
He just started shooting.
He just what?
Started shooting.
You just started shooting? Okay, hold on.
Hurry up.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Hold on.
911, what's the emergency? Hello, 911.
No, grab it. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Why the fuck do you think I gave you that weed? I never, nigga. I've been selling weed my whole fucking life. I've been going in life. Nigga, no. Father, if you trust me, why the fuck do you ask people? Come here. No, don't trust nobody else but Backpack. You said if you love me, I remember. No. This is why I never, no. Go.
34.
Trust me, 35. Fuck this. What? God, niggas ain't listening. Nigga, shut the fuck up, nigga. And call the police. Nigga, stop acting like a bitch. Call the fucking police. No! If you don't listen, bitch, I'm gonna fucking break up with you right now. I'll never come back. I'll go back to my mama. If you don't fucking listen, call my mama. Call everybody. Call your fucking cousin. Right now.
Olympic unit shooting just occurred. Shooting in progress, 10 South Ardmore, 10 South Ardmore. Suspect is a male, black, 35 years. He resides in apartment. Standby for additional code 3 incident 4575 ready 2054.
Hello?
Ma'am, this is 911 emergency. Is anyone hurt there?
I don't think so. I'm scared to go outside. Can you guys get here fast?
Yeah, they're on the way. Where did he go?
He's still outside somewhere.
Okay, what was he wearing? What color shirt and pants?
Huh?
What was he wearing? What color shirt and pants?
He's wearing no shirt, no pants, no socks, just like some colorful drawers.
Okay, what's his name?
Ronald Gaynor.
Ronald Gaynor? What kind of gun is he armed with, do you know?
I don't know, ma'am. Can you guys get here? I am in the neighbor's house.
I know. Okay, they're coming. Olympic units responding to 10 South Ardmore. Suspect is a male, black. He's 35 years. He's wearing no shirt and boxer shorts, colorful boxer shorts. He's armed with an unknown type gun. He's running around the complex. He's under the influence of unknown narcotics. Unknown if there is any victims. PR standing by an apartment.
Hey Joe, if this guy's walking around the complex with the gun, we gotta make entry. So let's go. Let's get together. Let's go. Watch this. There's a side gate over here.
Units responding to South Ardmore. The PO believes the suspect is in apartment. He ran back his side.
If he's back in, hold on. Where's? Is this?
I think this is could be right here.
All right. So let's just go. We gotta make sure no one's down, and then we'll come back out and then we'll see what we got from there. Okay. All right. Let's go. Someone hold down on. This is what I'm gonna do, Joe. You're gonna bypass. I will hold on. You guys just clear and then we'll come back out. All right, go. No, come this way, come this way, come this way. LAPD!
Nigga, do I want some motherfucking money?
Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Shots fired! Shots fired! All right, we're set here. Okay, suspect is in this living room. Okay. I still have contact with the suspect. I don't know if he's already seen him. All right. So we're gonna hold right here until we can figure out how to get him out or redeploy on that side. You guys understand that?
Roger.
I need somebody to take over communications. I can't do both.
Okay, no, I'm on communication. I'm on communication.
You gotta talk to the airship, Matthew. Hey!
Let me see your hands.
See your hands.
He's on arm. He's on arm. Let's go. Get him out. Get him out.
After that.
Get him out. Get him out.
Get him in custody. Move.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. See your hands. Your hands.
Clear it.
Yeah, man.
Turn the fuck around.
Got him?
I got it.
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Gaynor to a local hospital to be treated for gunshot wounds he sustained as a result of the officer-involved shooting. While there, medical staff pronounced him deceased. Investigators recovered a Smith Wesson semi-automatic handgun, a concealed carry holster, and 2 empty magazines at scene and booked them as evidence.